What's good? It's MI. Today I want to tell you how I gained 40 pounds of muscle in 1 year. I've always been really tall, and it's been hard for me to put on weight because of that. I've been working out 3 to 4 times a week, eating healthy every day, and even making protein shakes daily. But it wasn't enough until a few bodybuilders and fitness coaches told me how to make a few changes. Here's what they are. It's a special protein shake recipe. Step 1. Fill up your thing with water. You can also use milk, but I prefer to use water. Step 2. Get 2 scoops of high-quality protein powder. Step 3, get 3 big scoops of peanut butter. Step 4, oatmeal. Step 5 is a bonus step, 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Now you want to blend that shit. Now you drink and enjoy. I always do this when I come home from a workout, and then I'll do another one after dinner before I go to bed. So 2 of these shakes a day. Every day while working out 3 to 4 times a week, if not more. And you'll see yourself really start gaining. Try it yourself and thank me later. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I put the link to the blender in bio, as well as a few other things. Peace out.